netizens, back with me again, Aji Gautama Putraga. I am your lecturer for operating systems. We are starting our second meeting. We are discussing about process. In the first video, we will discuss about what is process. Let's start. So what what are the functionalities of an operating system? If you Google it, you will probably get an answer like this. So there's process management, memory management, disk management, networking, security, device drivers, and GUI. The question is, which one of these seven functionalities is the main one? Which one is the main one? Which one is the main one? The main functionality. Believe it or not, the main functionality is not GUI or device drivers. The main functionality of operating systems is process management. Why do I say that? Because probably the OS concerns the most about the process execution, and this is around 70% of your topic that you will get in operating system course. The rest of it will be about memory management, disk management, and security. Networking, probably you'll get it at computer networks. So we are going to discuss what is process. So the main question of this video is, what is process? And the answer is, a process is a program, a software program. A program. So probably you have MS Word, or you have Excel, or like this, PowerPoint, or a video. If it is a program, then it can become a process. So a process is a program, but a program is not always a process. A process is a program running on CPU. So like we discussed last week, computer has a CPU or a processor, and it has a main memory, and it has a disk, a hard disk. When a program is not running, it is saved in the hard disk. When we double click it, usually it means it is being executed. When it is being executed, it is put inside the main memory, and then it is run on the CPU. When the program is run on the CPU, it's called a process. So just like this picture, we have a CPU, we have a memory, and we have a hard disk. The program is something in the hard disk. It is not running. When we double click, it goes inside the memory, and then it is then being executed. When the program is inside the memory, it becomes a process. So the process is then run on the CPU. If the process is not running, then it's not called a process. It's called a program. So here are some key differences between program and process. A program is a static instruction and data, and a process is a dynamic instruction and data. A program is saved in the secondary memory or in the hard disk. A process is saved inside the random access memory or RAM. Example of program is notepad.exe. Example of process is notepad that you can see in your task manager. A program has a stack, doesn't have a stack, the process has a stack. Those are some key differences between program and process. These are the steps from a program to transform into a process. So first, the OS loads the code from a program data from the hard disk to the main memory, and then the OS allocates stack, heap, I/O resources, and PCB, and then the OS executes the process by starting from the instruction in the main function. So that is the end of video 1. In this video, we have successfully discussed about what is process and an explanation of the difference between process and program. I will meet you in the next video, still discussing about process. Thank you for your attention.